Okay, so that's it. Now, that's one of the cleans that I did from about 2 days ago, I think. It's 115 kilos. And as you can see, I've got a bar path line on there, so it's going to show you my exact path as we move through the whole lift, as you just saw, and as we go through the different segments. So to start with, let's take a look at my first pull. So as I start, I lower my hips, raise my shoulders, tighten my back up, and then start pulling. The bar goes up past my knee to there. Okay, it's not too bad of a position, that's fine. Now, as you can see, like I said, the bar path line is there, and it looks pretty good. It's coming back in towards me, which is what you want to see. My back angle stays pretty constant as I go up and down, which is fine. But at the very start, there's a little bit of deviation when the bar goes in front. Now, it's not ideal at all. It's a little fault, but it's something that I'm going to work to fix because it's definitely not what I want. Ideally, I'd have it starting there and travelling either directly upwards or back into me from the very start of the lift. So it's definitely something I'm going to work on. Now, as we come up through the lift, let me just play it on slow-mo. You can see the bar does come in noticeably towards me as it hits my mid-upper thigh and I come through the power position, which is great, and that's exactly what you want. The bar then will, obviously, if it's moved in towards you, move back out again. So as we move through my second pull into the receive, you can see that it's gone out, which it will do. Like I said, that's totally fine, as long as the bar doesn't go out any more than it was at the start of the lift. Okay, and you can see there that that's fine. That hasn't gone out any further than the start. It's not a bad pull, but there is something that I missed. So as we go into here and I finish my pull, or finish my second pull through here, you can't really see it because of the line, but my knees don't ever actually fully extend, so there's a bit of an issue there. Probably due to me not having lifted too much recently, going into it, being quite eager to get under the bar, and I just don't finish my pull properly. So that's something that I need to work on. So far we've got the bar moving out a little bit at the start, and then also me not fully extending my knees at the top. It happens. It's just something that I've got to work on and do some drills. Specifically hang, probably. I'll probably do some of them. So yeah, they're the issues I've spotted so far. Now, as I move back into the receive, catch it pretty well. Catch it quite high actually. So you can see here, my hip is actually above my knee. Now that's a power position, or like a power clean catch if you like, or power clean receive. But as we go down, you see I move into a full squat, and then drive back out, and ride the bar to the top. That was on slow-mo. Now, that's fine. Don't have any issues with that at all. I catch the bar fairly high, but that's quite a good thing when it's on this weight and I'm going for a proper clean, a full clean. That's absolutely fine. You can see as I go down, though, I've got some room to manoeuvre. So I've probably got, maybe 5-10 kilos, maybe more in that pull, because it is caught quite high. What I'd expect to see from a true 1 rep max clean would be caught more about that position, probably, and then ridden down to there, or even there, very, very low. That's a pretty high catch, a pretty high receive, so yeah, that's totally fine. I've probably got a little bit more in the tank. And then, yeah, so, back to the start. Let me just play it one more time. So now with the faults we've identified being me pushing the bar out a little bit further in the start, just there, I can work on fixing that. And then as we come up through the lift, I don't fully extend my knees, so I can work on fixing that as well. It's pretty simple. It's not a bad lift, 115 kilos for me, that's all right. And as I came through, like I said, caught it pretty high, so maybe got more in the tank. But yeah, that's the analysis on my clean. Here it is one last time.